Hey students, let's welcome the new lesson, the Mouse Maiden. Here the word maiden means an unmarried girl. Okay, so girl who is not married is known as maiden. So let's get started. How can a mouse can be maiden? Oh, it's a story from Panchtantra in which the girl father want a perfect husband for her. So let's see, will she be able to find out that perfect husband or not? One day, a holy man was saying his prayers after bathing in the Ganges. A tiny mouse fell into his hands from the beak of a hawk flying above. So the story setting is on the bank of the river Ganges. It has 8 characters: holy man wife, the mouse, she mouse, mountain, cloud, wind, sun, and mouse. Total 8 characters are there in the story, and the problem in this story is to find the perfect husband for the mouse maiden. So let's see, will she be able to find or not. So the story started with the holy man saying prayer in the Ganges river, and once a while what happened, a tiny mouse fell into his hand from the beak of a hawk flying above. As he looked the mouse, he liked it at once, and using his magic powers, he changed the mouse into a little girl. The holy man and his wife thought that time had come to look for a suitable husband for the mouse maiden. Here we are saying mouse maiden again and again because the girl transformed from a mouse only, from a she mouse only. That's why we are referring as mouse maiden, means a girl who is unmarried. Now, the first and the best choice for the perfect husband for the mouse maiden was sun, according to the holy man. So the holy man invited the sun to please come and marry his daughter using his magic power. So when he called upon the sun, the mouse maiden rejected the offer by saying the sun is too hot. Again, holy man convinced the cloud to come down and marry his daughter. One more time, the mouse maiden rejected the offer with the reason that the cloud looks so dull and boring. Now when the cloud got rejected, the holy man placed a question to the cloud: "Hey cloud, is there anyone greater than you?" So upon hearing this, the cloud said, "Yes, there is one, the wind. It can blow away me also." So the holy man requested the wind to please come down and marry his daughter. As the wind approached and started to say something, the mouse maiden jumped in and said, "No, I am not going to marry Mr. Wind. He is always running. He cannot stand still for a moment." So again he got rejected with the reason of always running. One more time, the holy man, disappointed, and replaced the question to the wind that, "Oh wind, is there anyone greater than you?" Wind said, "Yes, I am powerful, but I cannot move the mountain from its place. So yes, mountain is more greater than me." So the holy man, using his magic power, called upon the mountain. As the mountain approached, the mouse maiden cried, "Oh father, this mountain is so tall, rough and hard. I cannot marry him." So the mountain said, "No issues. There is one more greater than me. Mouse is more greater than me as it can make hole in me also." So upon hearing this, the holy man, without wasting much time, decided to call upon the mouse. As the mouse arrived, the mouse maiden was so happy to see, and she cried in a very joy and happy mood that, "Yes, he is the one I am going to marry." So finally she selected the mouse, and the holy man, using his magic powers again, changed the girl into a mouse and gave her in marriage to her. As the girl, the mouse maiden is having the body only, the outer body only as the girl. from inside, from the brain, she is actually thinking like a mouse, she mouse. So that's why she liked the he mouse only. That's all for today. Thank you.